Technology and passion are the two main factors that motivate the employees at Modelleisenbahn Company. You can see the results of this combination at the production sites for the ROCO and FLEISCHMANN brands. One of these is the Modelleisenbahn SRL located in Arad, Romania. The models are painted, printed and assembled there. Different departments make sure that the ROCO and FLEISCHMANN models are prepared, assembled and delivered to retailers. These processes include pre-assembly, surface treatment, final assembly of locomotives and coaches, assembly of accessories, controls and pantographs, logistics and quality assurance. At the start of the production process, the planning and logistics departments have to make sure that the material required for production is on site. The individual parts are picked for the specific projects and prepared for the lines. This is done by experienced warehouse workers who collect and count all the components before preparing them for processing. Finally, the warehouse team also makes sure that the finished goods are delivered safely. Technicians and engineers then take care to ensure that all equipment and machines are working and available on time for each project. A sample of each model is built before series production to eliminate possible defects in advance. The technical department trains employees and also guides them through the different construction steps. Another important production step is surface finishing. The pantographs of the electric locomotives and other small parts are painted in the paint shop, while the finest prints are applied to the tracks and accessories in the pad printing plant. When all the components have been prepared, assembly begins. To assemble the many sensitive and delicate parts into a high-quality model, the employees need steady hands, skill, a lot of patience, good eyesight with an eye for detail and a love of technology. In addition to assembling the individual parts, they solder, spot weld and press parts together and, finally, they subject the models to optical and electric testing. Quality assurance, or QA for short, supports production processes. Our QA employees make sure that the specifications for each model are known and upheld. To make sure that only flawless models are delivered to retailers, it is necessary to check the different production steps and perform a detailed final inspection. That's why you see ROCO and FLEISCHMANN models rolling on test tracks in many places. The service department closes the circle, carrying out any repairs for our customers and collecting feedback from the market together with the customer service department in Bergheim. This information is extremely valuable and allows us to continue to optimize our production processes. The team in Arad is characterized by a high level of dedication and motivation for producing high-quality model railway miniatures for our customers, and above all, by their love for the work.
Would you like to become a part of Modelleisenbahn Company?
Just jump on board the train. We would be delighted to have you as a member of our team.